Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again with another Amazon unboxing. My good friends over at Mornwell sent me this rechargeable oral eye regulator, germ removal, improved gum health. They got everything. Check them out, YouTubers. Really good people on Amazon. 3 flow modes, 2 minutes auto shut off, Miller water flow, millimeter water tank. Really cool. Alright, let's open this thing up. You guys can get one at a low cost. Just click on the links below. Hopefully you guys are having a good night so far. Staying nice and safe. Here we go. This might be cool. I'm gonna have to fill this up with some water. Show you guys how it works. So you get the nozzle on and off, mode indicator, handle, charging station, identification ring, suction tube, filter, tank, water tank, tank cap. Oh man, keep out of the reach of children. No children for me. Here we go. Pretty cool. Now let's take a look at what she looks like. Oh boy, I got some goodies today though. Thank you guys at Mornwell. Wish you guys the best of luck. I got the charging, the hub right here. Really nice. Nice and lightweight. Cut. I'm gonna need to get some more outlets. Some plugs. I'm running out of room. There we go. That's open. Oh. Awesome. There we go. Got that. We got to untwist. Twist in. Shout. Somehow this will go. Oh, come on. Wait. There we go. Bam. Got the cord out. Now here's the irrigator. Oh. Hold on one sec. My phone had a text message. Mornwell. Thank you guys. You guys can see it on and off. Mode, normal, soft, pulse. Oh boy. Get down to the business. We got the easy water filler right here. All I gotta do is boom, fill it with the water. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna get the water in. Here are the accessories. I forgot what they're called. You guys are bright. You guys down. Here we go. Boom. Easy to install. Next it. Push. Uh-oh. Hold on. There we go. This had it in the wrong spot. There we go. And let me fill this up with water. Give me 1 sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the H2O quality clean water. Oh yeah, and let's give it a squirt. Whoa, Jesus, it's squirting everywhere. Look at that. Oh, he's squirting at high velocity. Holy smokes. Whoa, okay. Holy smokes. Soak City over here. But there you have it. I gotta clean up now. That was the oral irrigator from Mornwell. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. And I got another video coming.